Hello guys, good evening, namaste. Welcome to Sil's guitar lesson. Today we'll be learning the sound of music that is called Do Adier. It's a very easy way to play and it is a major scale song, okay? And you will learn a lot of things from this song. 10 minutes if you practice, if you just see the video properly, write it down and practice. 10 minutes you will be able to sing and play the song. Okay, so we will do this one today. So I'm playing here, you just can listen and write down the notes. Okay, now let's play the song. Okay, we have divided it into two parts. First part में जो है वो हम लोग चारों नोट्स बजाएंगे, चार नोट्स जो है डो रे मी फा. ठीक है, उसके बाद जो सेकंड पार्ट है उसमें डो रे मी फा तो हो गया, फिर सो ला टी डो. ठीक है, so let's play the first four lines. So the first line is Do a deer, a female deer. So ये है A3, D0, D2, A3, D2, A3, D2. Second line, Ray, a drop of golden sun. So the notes are D0, D2, D3, D3, D2, D0, D3. Third line, my name I call myself. Note है D2, D3, G0, G0, D3, D2, G0. Fourth line, for a longer way to run. So D3, G0, G2, G2, G0, D3, G2. So guys, now we will play the second part. So do re mi fa to ho gaya abhi. So okay, G0, A3, D0, D2, D3, G0, G2. Yeah, I know to follow song. Note है G2, D0, D2, D3, G0, G2, G2 के बाद है B0. T now. T, I drink with jam and bread. So ये नोट है B0, D3, G0, G2. हाँ, then B0, B1. And the last line, that will bring us back to do. So B1, B0, G2, D3, B0, G0, B1. Okay, try playing it. Thank you.